Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation. Let's dive in.
When you think about home printing today, it's not just about putting ink on paper anymore. It's about having a smart companion that quietly handles the little tasks that keep your day moving forward. That's exactly where the HP OfficeJet 5255 wireless all-in-one printer comes in. Sleek, compact, and ready to fit anywhere. This printer blends convenience, technology, and affordability like few others in its class. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description. Let's start with what really makes this printer stand out. The OfficeJet 5255 isn't just for printing. It's an all-in-one hub design for the modern workspace. You can print, scan, copy, and even fax right from one device. Whether you're working from home, managing a small business, or keeping up with school projects, this printer adjusts to your lifestyle effortlessly. What makes it even better is how it handles wireless connectivity. The OfficeJet 5255 connects seamlessly through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even directly through the HP Smart app. That means you can send documents straight from your laptop, tablet, or smartphone without needing to touch a single cable. Imagine finishing a report on your phone and printing it instantly before a meeting. It's that smooth. The addition of Alexa support takes convenience to another level. You can simply ask Alexa to print a to-do list, a grocery list, or your child's school project. It's printing that literally responds to your voice, removing those extra steps that usually slow you down. And when it comes to performance, the OfficeJet 5255 doesn't cut corners. With print speeds of up to 20 pages per minute in black and 17 in color, it's fast enough to keep up with your workflow without compromising quality. The prints come out sharp, vibrant, and true to life, whether you're printing professional documents or family photos. The resolution of up to 4800 by 1200 dpi ensures every detail pops off the page with impressive clarity. But what truly adds long-term value is the printer's compatibility with HP Instant Ink. This subscription-based service automatically orders new ink cartridges before you run out. It saves both time and money while ensuring you never experience that dreaded low ink moment right before deadline. The OfficeJet 5255 is also built with sustainability in mind. It's Energy Star certified, which means it uses less power and helps reduce your carbon footprint. Combine that with its auto-duplex printing feature, and you're saving paper and money with every double-sided print. Let's talk design. The sleek black finish fits perfectly into any workspace, from a student desk to a professional office. The control panel is a responsive LCD touchscreen that makes navigating print jobs and settings intuitive and fast. It's user-friendly, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. In terms of versatility, this printer supports multiple media types. You can print envelopes, glossy photo paper, labels, or standard documents with ease. That flexibility opens up creative options for printing photos, invitations, or small business marketing materials, all from one compact device. Another underrated strength is its quiet operation. The HP OfficeJet 5255 runs with a low noise level, so you can work or take calls without the hum of a printer interrupting your focus. It's the kind of small detail that adds a touch of professionalism to your space. Scanning and copying are equally seamless. The built-in photo and sheet-fed scanner can handle a variety of documents, preserving clarity and detail with each scan. Whether it's a signed contract, an old photo, or a quick ID copy, the output remains crisp and precise. If you're concerned about installation or setup, HP makes that process almost effortless. The printer comes with clear step-by-step instructions, and the HP Smart app guides you through connecting it to your Wi-Fi network and devices. You'll be printing in just a few minutes after unboxing. Durability is another area where HP stands out. The OfficeJet 5255 is built to last, with a sturdy design that can handle daily use. Its lightweight structure makes it easy to move if you ever need to rearrange your space. At the end of the day, the HP OfficeJet 5255 offers something rare, a perfect balance of performance, simplicity, and intelligence. It's not just about getting things printed, it's about enhancing how you work, communicate, and stay organized. Whether you're a student preparing reports, a parent managing forms, or a business professional handling contracts. This printer keeps up effortlessly. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is given down below in the description. With the HP OfficeJet 5255, every print feels smoother, faster, and smarter. It's a small investment that pays off with every task you complete, reliably, beautifully, and efficiently.